to this video tutorial. Today we are going to take a quick look at the new Critical Subscriptions dashboard. This dashboard has been designed to help you better manage your overdue subscriptions so that you have all the information you need in order to contact your subscribers and get them to take action on their unsettled subscriptions. You can access this new Critical Subscriptions dashboard under your main dashboard by simply clicking the Critical Subscriptions button. I will now take you through what the dashboard looks like and what all of these different symbols and icons mean. The examples you see on my screen have been sanitized, which is why customer names may look a bit strange. But don't worry, on your dashboard these fields will be correctly populated with your customer's information. Firstly, it's important to remember that only your critical, that is to say your overdue subscriptions, are shown on this page. For information regarding your active subscriptions, you should head to the subscription report instead. Each block on this page represents a subscription which has not yet been settled for 1 or more months. There can be various reasons for this, and you will see a description of the reason marked at the top left of each block and in the descriptive text. In this case, you can see this subscription is overdue due to a balance issue, meaning the subscriber did not have enough funds on their card at the time. You may also see reasons such as invalid, such as here, meaning card details were incorrect, expired, meaning the customer needs to input a new payment card, or refused, meaning the card was refused by the customer's card provider. We will get back to how you may choose to solve these statuses in a bit. Next, you will see the customer's name as well as their phone number and email. The phone number and email are clickable, so if you want to contact the customer straight away, you can call them or email them straight from this page. In this line, you'll see a timestamp showing when the subscription was made overdue and when it entered this list. Next, you'll see a summary showing how many months it has been since this subscription was first purchased, and if you click on this, you'll see the payment history on the subscription. Red marks indicate any failed payments and the green marks show any successful payments. Right next to this, you will find the subscription journal, which displays a history of different actions which have occurred in regards to the subscription. This will contain information about any previous attempts which have been made to resolve the overdue subscription, as well as information about cancelling the subscription or updating payment card. Finally, you will see the value of the monthly payment at the end of the line. The last line in each block shows you where the customer is sitting and what subscription type or types are included in their order. You also have the reference code displayed here, and if there are multiple seats within one subscription, this will be marked in the line above as so. When it comes to actions you can take from this dashboard, we have already mentioned that you can reach out to the customer directly via phone or email. If you do so, you may want to write a little note to record what was discussed so that this can be added to the journal. You can also go into the Resolve button to take some additional actions. Notify will resend the standard payment failed email to the customer, thus prompting them to update their payment card under your subscriptions. This can be used for any payments considered refused, invalid, or expired. Retry will send the subscription back into the list of subscriptions due to be charged during the next payment round, which is usually around midday each day. This option is most commonly used for any balance issues so that you can reattempt to charge the payment card once the customer has funds available. Terminate will immediately end the subscription, removing it from this list and not attempting to charge it again. This option can be considered a last resort if the subscriber is not responsive and you want to invalidate their subscription immediately. Manual will hide the overdue subscription from this dashboard for 3 days. If you have spoken with the customer and asked them to update their card, for example, you might then want to give them a few days to action this before you take another action on the subscription. We're hoping to expand this list of resolve actions in time, so watch this space. Lastly, we wanted to mention that you can select multiple subscriptions at once and carry out the same action on all of them. by using this checkbox at the side. That concludes it for our run through of the Critical Subscriptions dashboard. We hope you found this useful.